Hi, this is Chris Straub, StraubTechnologies, and today we're going to introduce our new LT stroker program. Unlike the LS, General Motors has given all you hot rodders a gift by this crankshaft. This crankshaft is the LT crankshaft that goes in the 6.6s. This thing actually has almost a 1/4 inch more stroke than the standard crankshaft, which you find in the 5.3 and the 6.2, which is a 3.622 stroke. This is actually 3.840 stroke is what this crankshaft is. It is also a forged crankshaft, and it also features center counterweights. GM has also gone to the extent to contour the crankshaft and the leading edge. This crankshaft in an aftermarket piece would be close to $3,000. So now by taking this crankshaft and putting it in your 5.3 or your 6.2, you've actually got a stroker engine using all OEM parts. Now what we've done is, to get away from the LT and their rod bearing type deal, we're going to install a brand new set of LS rods with our stroker kits. These are 4340 H-beam connecting rods, and everything we do and ship out all includes an ARP 2000 bolt in all our connecting rods. It's got an Amco 45 bush pin area type deal, and this is included with our pistons that we do for these engines. Now, these are designed here at StraubTechnologies by Billy Fisher, using his experience in professional forms of racing and circle track in his days with NASCAR. So these pistons have a full Grafal coated skirt, thermal top, and they feature the pin bosses with a radial groove for pin. We've also reduced the area in here to make a shorter pin, so we got a lightweight assembly. The other thing we've done is average the rotating mass of any LT. So this is actually a drop-in kit for those with a 6.2 or a 5.3. Now, you take this with our new LT block program, where we're putting those heavy wall sleeves, that interlocking sleeve system. We actually, with the 5.3, that standard kit comes at a 4-inch bore. You've actually got the first 6-liter LT engine available to you with a standard stroke, or by adding the extra stroke that you've got this, you've got a 6.2 out of a 5.3 already. You take the 6.2 and put this program in it with a maximum bore of 4155 with those blocks that we're sleeving, you can build up to a 418 cubic inch LT motor. Now, all these kits will feature a king bearing, either in a coated style bearing or a non-coated bearing. That's a choice. The other thing too is we've upgraded our pins compared to a lot of the competition out there. We put a tool steel heavy wall pin in these, so those that are adding any type of power adders such as nitrous, turbos, blowers, or anything like that, you can rest assured with a StraubTechnologies kit, you're going to have that strength in there and the integrity to hold up under any of those cylinder pressures that you find in a boosted or a nitrous type application. So these kits are currently available. The parts are on the shelf. We can either balance this assembly and send it to you, or if you've got a shop that you work closely with, we can send all the components to them and they can balance this crankshaft up in this assembly, and you can get your LT on the road. Remember, at StraubTechnologies, we don't build engines, we build combinations.